this story. All of you love space. Yes, the other day also you said so. So we are on our way to Mars for a mission, and this is the spaceship in which we are going. I have seas without water, coasts without sand, towns without
It is
people.
map.
It's a map. Here you'll be a part of a superhero team because we know that you have the potential to develop these skills.
Why is a dog walking on the screen?
Oh, that is something Utsav has actually put. Utsav, you can remove that.
You are being asked, do you know what are variables?
Some variables are used in the condition statement.
Okay, then I'll go with Mithul. Mithul says this with condition. No, not only this. What is it? Is it a variable? Here is X the variable. Write in the
Yes.
chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is this a variable?
Yes, ma'am.
Which is the better way of writing a variable if I want to write a number as a variable?
Ma'am, in the first one.
First one. X is equal to 2.
Tell. Who will debug this? Very good.
I will.
Okay, do that.
It should be like this. I have typed it in chat. It should be like this.
For I in X, print I, right? Now there's another way to do this. That is this one. Can you tell me the difference between these two? Both of these programs are doing similar things, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the difference between the two? One difference is for I in range, length of X. Do you remember we had done this len function the other day?
Yes, ma'am.
What did this len function do? Find the length of the string. So it finds the number of characters in that string, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So now here if it is print xi, now we are printing the index wise. But here it was printing with the characters. Here it is printing with the position. So we can do in these two different formats also depending upon the need of our program. So this is to make you aware of this function and how to go about this coding. So just try these two things that in your collab. And kids, do see the notification and the syntax. So be very, very careful with the syntax. This difference should be thoroughly clear. Mithul, you can see and work it out that way. Any confusions here?
No, ma'am.
It's clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The reason behind keeping this name of Captain Tesseract was basically that we wanted a superhero to teach our kids to become coding superheroes.